Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 2nd Subject Mathematics Topic. Let's measure length. What is measurement of length? Length is a measure of how long an object is or the distance between two points. We can measure length by handspan, footspan, cubit, sticks. These all are non-standard units. Students, it is not fixed, it changes because every individual have different handspan, footspan and cubit, and size of every stick can be different. What is handspan? We can use handspan to measure length. Handspan means the distance between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger when the hand is stretched. Students, to measure length, we can use handspan. It is very easy to measure length. First, we have to stretch our hand from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger. The distance between tip of the thumb to the tip of little finger is known as handspan. Students, always remember handspan of every individual is different. Example: Swati wants to measure how long her book is. So she tries to measure the length of the book with her handspan. Students, Swati wants to measure her book. She is using her handspan to measure the length of the book. Students, you can see that Swati required two handspans to measure the book. So, length of the book is two handspan. Yamini wants to fit a study table between the cupboard and the door. She measured with a stick the length of the wall where the table was to be placed. It was 3 sticks. If she wants to place the longest possible table in the available space, which of the following tables should she select? Students, Yamini wants to fit study table between cupboard and door. She had measured the distance between cupboard and door. It was 3 sticks. So she will select option 2 because it is 3 stick table. 2 stick table is smaller and 4-5 stick table is bigger. It will not able to place properly between cupboard and the door. So Yamini choose 3 stick table because it will placed properly between cupboard and the door. Now let's start with exercise. Measure the length of one side of each of the following object using your handspan and write the length in the given box. Now let's start with exercise. Students, we have to measure the length of table by using handspan. Students, you can see in the picture how to measure the length of table by using handspan. Yes? Length of the table is 2 handspan. Students, we have to measure the length of the compass by using handspan. The length of the compass is 1 handspan. Always remember students, the handspan of every individual is different. Let's revise what we have learned. We use measurements to describe how much or how big or small something is. Thank you. Keep learning and keep smiling.